Alright, so we're going to stray from the path a little bit on this video. Instead of doing the traditional speaker build, I decided we would move to an Arduino build for this video. The channel's not going this way. This is just kind of a one-off for the time being. I mean, there will be more Arduino stuff on the channel, but this guy is specifically to help with the speaker building process. But I'll talk about that more later. Right now, I kind of just want to get to the build. We're going to do the same kind of template that we do for the speaker building videos. It's going to be intro, a build. We'll come back here. I'll kind of talk about the design, the decisions that I made on this design. I'll then go show you it actually working and doing what it's supposed to do. And then I'll come back here for just closing statements. So that's kind of the plan moving forward. So yeah, I will see you guys back here to discuss what's going on here. So now that we've kind of seen this put together, I kind of want to talk about the choice of why I used the components that I used. And the first and foremost reason why I used the things that I used was just that they were laying around. So I had the steppers just laying around from previous projects. The 5mm rod here, I think I pulled out of like an old printer. The all thread, I believe I just had out in my shop for, I don't even know why I have 5mm rod laying around, but yeah. The LCD and the tilt analog switch here, I believe those just came with like one of those Arduino kits, and I've just never had a use for them, so they've just kind of hung out here. So yeah, that's kind of really just why I chose the things that I chose. And then the only thing that was purpose built for this was the PCB, as you've seen. I got it from JLC PCB, and the only reason I went that way was because I got a coupon for I think it was only like $1 or something to get coupons, or to get these delivered to my house. So other than that, I would not have went this way. But by doing it this way, it has opened up a door for me to potentially sell this design. I don't want to sell it for a ton of money, just a couple bucks to maybe help the channel grow. So if you're interested in this design, I'll be finding a place to put it somewhere, and then I'll put that up in the description below. So if you're wanting to support the channel in that kind of way and build this to have it for yourself, all the plans will be there, the code, parts list, everything that you need to build this I will provide, but just the actual files you'll have to buy. So yeah, beyond that, I guess we'll get into watching this thing actually wind a coil, and then we'll come back and just close out. So yeah. I think that's about all that I had really for this video. This video should be going up in tandem with the next speaker version, which will be 9. The coil you saw wrapped on this is going to actually be used in that speaker. So these videos should hopefully go up in tandem. That'll depend a lot on just how well they upload to YouTube, so there may be a little gap there, but that's kind of out of my control. So yeah, if you've made it this far, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. It lets me know that I'm doing things that the viewers like. So yeah, until next time, guys.